Motion sensors protect your home by overlooking entire rooms. If someone tries to pass through that room while the system is engaged, they'll be busted and an alarm will be triggered. When a motion sensor is placed in the corner of a room, we suggest about 5 feet up, it can scan out 45 feet with a 90-degree field of view, which basically means it can monitor the whole room. A SimpliSafe system can be set in a home or away mode. When it's in away mode, the motion sensors are armed and on the lookout for intruders. When it's in the home mode, the sensors are off, so you can move around freely. And pets? Well, we've got you covered there too. Our motion sensors use heat signatures to distinguish people from pets. Motion sensors don't need to be installed as much as simply placed. To secure them on a wall, just peel off the back adhesive and hold it in place for about 30 seconds. Or just place the motion sensor on the edge of a shelf. And remember, you don't need a motion sensor for every room, just the ones an intruder would have to pass through to access most of your home. Advanced home security, 24/7 professional monitoring for less than $1 a day. There's no safe like SimpliSafe.